Hello guys, welcome back to Charo Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Warzone or Modern Warfare, the dev error which is happening right now across the globe to almost every people and how to fix this up. So as you can see that the reason I'm going to talk about the reason and how to fix the first one. So because in most cases if you go to the barracks, as you can see that if you click here, in most cases the emblems and calling cards, if you select this, it used to be in this in almost everyone, which is called randomize all and also is called random favorite, and this is the reason if you selected this and trying to play the game, this is the reason why you are getting the error. And now I'm going to talk about how to fix this up. So if you want to fix this up, what you have to do, just follow the instruction. First thing, you just have to go to emblems. To get into this, you just have to click on the barracks, then go here to the emblems and you just have to select this. Instead of selecting this one, randomized or random favorites, you have to select any one of these things over here. As you can see that you will just select this one, and once after that just get back to here and go to the calling cards, as you can see that, and from here you just have to select any one of these, and once after that just get back and trying to open the game, which most probably fix the issue up. So this is the fix, and that's all about when it comes to how to fix Call of Duty Warzone or Modern Warfare dev error, and that's all about it. This is Shaheen officially signing off on Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay